Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic axis in Power by using DAX, a powerful technique that can really level up your dashboards. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to let viewers flip between different metrics like sales, profit, and customers on a single chart, all with just a click. This kind of interactivity is a big deal, especially if you want to create reports that are both compact and super flexible for whoever's using them. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the data we'll work with. Imagine you have a simple table that tracks month, sales, profit, and customers from January through June. This is a common setup for any business dashboard, but if you use a static chart, you'd need to make one for each metric, which really clutters your report. So we want to make it dynamic. The first step is to create what's called a disconnected table. Now, don't let that term trip you up. It just means this new table won't have a relationship or link to your data table. Here, what you do, go to the Modeling tab in Power BI, hit Enter Data, and type in your axis choices, sales, profit, customers. Name this new table Axis Selector. Think of it like a list of buttons users can click to control what they see, completely separate from your main data. It's disconnected, but that's exactly what lets it drive our dynamic axis. Next, let's make it interactive. Add a slicer visual to your report. Take the axis choice column from your new axis selector table and drag it into the slicer. This step is where the magic starts. Your report viewers will now see clickable choices for sales, profit, or customers, and whatever they select will control the chart later on. Don't worry if the slicer doesn't do anything yet, that's exactly what we're about to solve. Now comes the core trick, creating a DAX measure that listens to your slicer and adjusts the values accordingly. Head back to the Modeling tab and click New Measure. I'll paste a handy DAX formula in the description that you can use. Just make sure to adjust the table and field names to match your own data. This DAX measure checks what's selected in the slicer and spits out the right values from your data table, whether it's sales, profit, or customers. It's kind of like programming the chart to listen to your users as they explore the data. Alright, it's time to build the actual chart. Add a column chart visual. For the x-axis, use the month field from your main data so you get your usual time view. For the y-axis, drop in your new dynamic axis value measure. That's the one powered by the DAX formula. Put your axis choice slicer next to the chart. Now try clicking between sales, profit, and customers on the slicer. Watch how the chart updates instantly, showing the right numbers each time. It's so satisfying, and you've just turned one static chart into a dynamic tool your viewers will love. There's just one thing to keep in mind, the axis title on your chart won't update automatically when you switch between metrics. To make it perfect, you'll want to create a dynamic title measure using another simple DAX formula. Check the video description for a template. This way, the axis title always matches the metric selected in your slicer, keeping everything clear and professional. And finally, let's see where this technique really shines. With this setup, you can easily let your viewers swap between different comparisons. Sales versus profit versus customers, units versus revenue, or even actuals versus forecasts, all while using the same space-saving visual. It's efficient, interactive, and honestly, it just looks really cool in any report. Give this a try on your own dashboards. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave any questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more Power BI tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.